Hi, Trish Stuart here. I want to talk to you about what I'm going to be teaching you on Chicks Night Out at AQS Paducah this fall in 2019. I'm very excited about this because this actually started out with me teaching a group at a guild that wanted to learn free motion but had been just failures at it. They felt intimidated by it. Everybody had told them one way to do it, and all they did was clench their teeth, crack their teeth. You know, it was horrible. And I really wanted people to have fun with this. So Chicks Night Out was developed originally because to help people who had tried doing free motion and totally felt like they were never going to be able to get this down. And so they just went to doing straight stitching and paying somebody else to do their free motion stitching. Well, the thing is, that's very expensive to keep paying somebody, especially if you're just doing a small project. This is created so that you can learn the foundation of doing this, and in a way that takes all of the angst out of it. If you make a mistake in this workshop, we just create two more mistakes just like it. And then it looks like part of what you've done. So you get to learn how to go up and down, sideways, angles, at right angles, left angles, how to do points, how to do curves, how to get a smooth thing going. And you don't have to throw away your project when it's done, because what we're doing is very whimsical. So even if you feel like you screwed up, you just repeat it two more times, and then it becomes part of what you're working on. So it doesn't have all of the pressure that you get when you're learning, for instance, how to do perfect feathers. This is not about being perfect. This is about learning the foundational skills you need, and then you get the muscle memory, and then you get to go beyond this because you're no longer afraid. You're not clenching your teeth. You learn the ergonomics of how to set yourself up so that you can really create amazing, amazing work that you never thought you could do. I cannot tell you how many people have taken this workshop from me and come away going, wow, I can do this, and they really never thought they could. So if that's you, if you have never been able to step outside of your box or just take that step and try something like this, please join me. Really, this is so fun, and there's no pressure, and you'll be shocked at what you can accomplish when this is over. So I'll see you in class.